Hello, children. Once again, I am with you, Mrs. Aarti Shingari from Kendra Vidyalaya number 1, Ahmednagar. Today, we will be learning the new poem, Don't Be Afraid of the Dark, from class 4 English NCERT books. Don't be afraid of the dark. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. Generally, the children, small children, they are afraid. They are frightened of darkness. So this poem, the poet is trying to tell children that you should not get scared of the darkness. It is a universal truth that when the day is over, night has to begin. And when night is done, day has to begin. It is 24-hour clock time. So we should not get frightened. We should enjoy the bright day as well as the dark night. The earth must rest. We also take rest. Full day's work we do, we go to school, then in the evening we study, we play, we see TV, and then we go to sleep. When our body needs rest, in the same way, everything in the world needs rest. And in the similar way, earth also needs rest. So don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh. It is harsh, you know. Sometimes when the slanting rays of sun are there in the morning, we feel nice. But in afternoon, it is scorching heat. It is very unpleasant. We feel something unpleasant on the skin, which we don't like. But moonlight never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. Sunlight is harsh, but moonlight is gentle, peaceful. It gives us peace. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. In the night time, when you are going to sleep, don't get afraid of the dark. The poet says, just think of the friends and you will be happy. By sky, it seems that our troubles won't cease, won't come to an end. Troubles which we don't like, the problems which we don't like. Sometimes these problems will never come to an end. One or the other problem is there. Cease means to come to an end. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. But at night time, everything is peace. We forget everything and we take rest, we go to sleep. So new words, afraid. I told you afraid means to get frightened, to get scared, to get feared. Dark. Dark means at night time there is darkness. The opposite of dark is bright. Rest, to take rest, to be at peace, to be at ease. Harsh, which is very unpleasant, which we don't like. Sometimes you can give example. He is speaking very harsh. Means that means he is speaking very unpleasant things. He is very rude. Then forever. Forever means always. Troubles, problems, and cease. Cease means to come to an end. Now we'll come to question answers. What is the poem about? The poem is about fear of the darkness, how to overcome that fear. See here, the lady is sitting in the window. What happens when the day is over? When the day is over, the night begins. We can see the moon and the stars in the sky. What does the earth do when the day is over? The earth takes rest when the day is over. It is at peace. What does the poet want us to do at night? The poet wants us to be friends with night. He says that let our thoughts travel to friends far and near. Everybody knows that we are very happy with our friends. So we should think of our friends. Now, full forms of the contractions. Won't, will not. Don't, do not. Shouldn't, should not. Couldn't, could not. Mustn't, must not. Wouldn't, would not. Didn't or didn't, did not. Now complete the following sentences. The sum was too difficult for the class to solve. Only 2 students can solve it. 2 here means very difficult. And only 2. Actually, these are homophone children. Homophones. What are homophones? Homophones are the 2 words which pronunciation is same. 2. Pronunciation is same, but the spellings are different and the meanings are different. So we have to use it in the separate context. The sum was too difficult, very difficult for the class to solve. So only 2 students could do it. 2 means it is a number, TWO. There was only dash boy. There was only one, only one number it is, who won the prize. You know, WON, one means it is the past tense of win. So who won the prize? There was only one boy who win the prize, who won the win. One is the past tense of win. The golden dash was very dash to him. The golden deer, you know, it is an animal. So the golden deer was very dear to him. Dear means loving. DEAR is loving and DEER is animal. Ramu's dash loved to play in the dash. So Ramu's son, SON son, SUN son. Ramu's son, SON son, beta. He wanted to play in the sun. So these are homophone children. 2, 2, 1, 1. Dear, dear. See, spellings are different, meanings are different. Sun, sun. Now we have word building. 2 words when we combine to make a single word. Moon plus light. Moonlight. Good plus night. Good night. Water plus fall. Waterfall. Break plus fast. Break fast. Day plus break. Daybreak. Rain plus bow. Rainbow. So 2 words you can combine, you can join and make a single word. Now we will see the opposite. War, peace. The opposite of war is peace. Enemies, friends. Gentle, harsh. Light, dark. Night, day. Start, end. See here the opposite words. Now, true or false? The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. No, it is false. The poet wants the child to be friendly with darkness. He wants us to be happy in the darkness. So it is false. The poet says that stars will always shine at night. Yes, it is true. Actually, children, the stars are there in the daytime also. But because of the bright sun, these stars are not visible. The poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. Yes, it is true. He wants us to think of friends far and near. So children, we have done almost all the exercises. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you learned all the grammar part of it. Children, if you like my teaching, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.